So this is where they wrote the song, "She sells seashells underneath the seashell."
Probably.
And if you can say that 3 times fast, you win a prize. Okay, so we're continuing our fishing tour. Today is a fishing tour.
Yes.
So we're continuing the fishing tour. We're not going to go up that tower because of different reasons. Oh wow, okay, here we go.
Okay, wow, this is the fish market.
This is the fish market.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at all that.
Yeah. So this is where they wrote the song, "She sells seashells underneath the seashell."
Probably.
And if you can say that 3 times fast, you win a prize.
Yeah.
Yeah? Once again, she sells
She
seashells underneath the seashell.
I'm
No.
very bad with
Okay.
those riddles.
Okay.
My tongue
So
gets
Natalie
so
cannot say it. So Natalie cannot say it. So she does not win a prize.
No. No prize for me.
No prize.
Fine. Look
So
at the,
once
look
again,
at the sea monster.
If you do not like the smell of fish and sea and a lot of wetness, this is not the place for you, and you can enjoy this video in the comfort of your home instead. But if you don't mind and you like this kind of adventures, this is as local and as raw and authentic as it gets.
Look at that.
Okay, I'll stop speaking now because
they have the ones I like.
yeah, I'll stop speaking now because I think this market speaks for itself.
Yes.
Salam. Okay, oh, and here they cook if you want. Assalamu alaikum. Salam. So apparently they cook here as well, and I believe I haven't talked to them yet because we're not hungry yet and we don't want to get their hopes up, but it seems like here it's going to be cheaper than on the other side, and it's always like that. They have the tourist shops, the tourist restaurants, which are more expensive, right next to the authentic places.
Yeah.
And you find out a bit after. You just need to keep walking and you'll find the local authentic places, which should be half price, I believe. But when we're hungry, we'll come back here. I'll ask the guy until what time they're open, and if they are open when we want to have lunch and we're hungry, so we'll come here and have lunch. They have nice tables here.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it's amazing how seagulls, cats, and fish all live together.
Seagulls, cats, and fish. Yes.
Oy.
The end of days. Okay guys, so we'll see you later. We're going to walk around a little bit more, enjoy this place without the camera, and if there's anything interesting to see, like a huge tuna or a huge shark or some huge octopus or something of the sorts, we'll show it to you.
We'll show it. Yeah.
And if we're going to eat in this place, we'll show it to you as well. Okay guys, so we'll see you later.
Bye-bye.